Feeling frustrated because you keep losing money and can't seem to find a reliable trading strategy? Well, you've landed on the right video. Seriously, stick around and pay close attention because what I'm about to share can turn things around for you. So, in this video, we're diving into an incredible indicator that can completely transform your trading game. It might look like just a set of green and red zigzag lines on your chart, but trust me, it's way more powerful than it seems. The best part? It provides super accurate signals that can help you win most of your trades. I'm not talking theoretical here. We've tested it on real accounts and it consistently delivers profits while keeping the risks low. Now, before I go any further, if you want to get your hands on this game-changing indicator and learn the best settings for it, make sure to watch this video till the very end. I promise it's going to be worth your time. Please smash that like button because by doing that, you're supporting me a lot and YouTube algorithm is going to show this video to more traders and people like you who are looking for perfect trading strategies and techniques here on Income Nomad. All right, let's talk about why this indicator is so special. Unlike regular zigzag indicators that repaint every time they appear, this one operates in conjunction with pivot points and the QQE indicator. This unique combination ensures that the signals it gives are incredibly accurate, and here's the kicker: they don't repaint. Yeah, you heard me right. They don't repaint. That means what you see is what you get. No more false signals messing up your trades. But here's the thing, even with a great indicator in hand, you need to know how to use it properly, right? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. We'll walk through the setup together. First, you'll want to head over to TradingView and find the indicator by searching for the momentum-based zigzag non-repeating. Yeah, you need this one. Thanks to the author, by the way. Once you've got it, lie to your chart and voila! Your chart will light up with these accurate signals. But hey, it's not just about slapping on the indicator and hoping for the best. We've got some insider tips to maximize its effectiveness. Dive into the settings and make sure the momentum indicator is set to QQE. Then tweak the RSI length to 20 and RSI smoothing to 1. Trust me, these adjustments will make a world of difference in the accuracy of your trades. I've got some exciting news for you. Bybit, the crypto exchange everyone's talking about. Imagine earning up to 30,000 USD in deposit rewards, enjoying zero maker fees for the first 30 days, and trading with the lowest spreads and fees in the market. Yes, it's all possible. And guess what? Bybit is among the top 3 global crypto exchanges. So why wait? Click the link below and dive into the action. Trust me, every trader needs to be on Bybit. Don't miss out. Let's make those trades count together. And here's the secret sauce. To boost your accuracy even further, there's a specific trick shared exclusively for those who stick around till the end of the video. I won't spill the beans now, but I promise it's a game changer. Now, once you've got your indicator all set up, it's time to make some winning trades. For buy setups, keep an eye out for those green signals. When you spot one, that's your cue to enter long trade. Wait for a fresh candle to form and then pull the trigger. Of course, don't forget to adjust your stop loss and take profit for optimal results. And if you want to know how to do that and where to put them exactly, again, watch the video until the end and you gotta figure it out for yourself. And for sell trades, focus on those big, bold red tags. When you see one, it's your signal to enter a sell trade on the next fresh candle. Set your stop loss at the previous high and aim for the take profit below the previous high zigzag point. It's a straightforward process, really. So as you can see, it's only playing with the highs and lows. When you want to go short, set your stop loss on the previous high And for your take profit, there are a lot of scenarios which I'm going to talk about them shortly. Remember, discipline is key. Exit your trade immediately if a new zigzag line forms, or you can just take a partial profit and continue with your trade, and of course making your trade risk-free. It means trailing your stop loss. Stick to these rules and you could potentially see your account grow by more than 300% in less than a month. Yes, you heard that right. I highly recommend when you want to try any new trading strategy, you must backtest it. Or if you don't like backtesting, you can just use demo trading, which is available on Bybit. Previously, I made a video about it. I don't want to make it so long, so you can check it out and learn how to do it. But here's the kicker. Previously, I made almost an hour of video completely about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do, this is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci retracement levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times and it works out perfect. And hey, if you're finding value in this video and you want more insider strategies and tips for free, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Our channel is all about sharing real, actionable tactics that traders like you can use to succeed. All right, that's a wrap for today. I hope you've gained some value insights, and I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Happy trading!